Welcome back friends. Today I'm going to show how to make perfect aam papad. Watch the video till the end to see 2 tips how to achieve the perfect mixture. Wash, peel the mango and cut into pieces. Blend these mango pieces into a fine paste. I'm going to sieve the mango puree just to make sure there is no fiber or big chunks in aam papad. Transfer all the puree to a non-stick kadai or a pan. Turn on the gas on high heat. Add sugar and mix well. Cook it while stirring continuously until it starts boiling. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat to medium. Otherwise, the mango pulp will scatter on your face as they burst. Cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until the pulp thickens. Stir occasionally. Now add black salt, chaat masala, red chili powder and lemon juice. Keep stirring and mix it well. Now I'm sharing 2 tips to know if your mango mixture is perfectly cooked. The first tip, cook the mango mixture till it reaches one string consistency. The second tip, a line traced in the middle of the spatula. If it remains visible and does not merge, that means it has reached the desired consistency. Switch off the flame. Take 2 large plates and grease them with oil or ghee. Pour the cooked mango mixture in the plate and spread it out. Keep this plate out in the sun to dry. It will dry in 3 to 4 days. You can also keep the plate inside your room or kitchen covered for 5 to 6 days. Once the mango papad has dried completely, scrape the corner carefully with a knife and peel the aam papad out of the pan. You can roll out this mango papad very easily. Cut it according to your desired shapes and sizes. Store it in an airtight box for 3 weeks, or you can keep it refrigerated for a longer time. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until then, see you by next time. Thank you.